how PHTech SMS services works. This is how we operate step by step to achieve the perfect results. Our API are connected with our databases. Once we inserted SIM card on GSM modem, the number from SIM card will be sent going to our database. Then the data from database will be forwarded to our number list page API. Then once the number has been used, the SMS data will be saved to database, and forwarded again going to PHTech SMS API, so you can access the one-time PIN message. Please watch the video for a clear explanation that will help you to operate easily with our services.
Thanks for watching. Please visit phtechsms.com.